Okay, welcome back. We are going to be looking at graphs of functions, specifically nonlinear functions. We'll be talking about inputs and outputs, how to solve nonlinear equations graphically. So we've looked at solving nonlinear equations with algebra, but this is going to be a graphical method. We're going to be exploring gradients, but we'll probably do that in a second video. So let's look at the curve y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. Here we have some inputs, our x values, and we're going to be looking at the y values. So maybe for the first y value, you could pause the video here and see what y value you get when x is minus 2. Okay, having paused the video, you should get minus 2 cubed minus 3 times minus 2 squared plus 2. Minus 2 cubed is minus 8. Then minus 3 times by, well, minus 2 squared is 4. Plus 2, so you get minus 8 minus 12 plus 2, which is minus 18. So in that box you should have put minus 18. Now we could do this for all other values, so you might want to pause the video now and check you get the right answers, and I'll put the answers in a second. So you should get minus 2, 2, 0, minus 2, 2, and 18. Okay, we could plot these values. So on the graph, maybe you could put a plot of these values on it. Okay, if you pause the video now, I'll put it on while... So your graph should look something like this. Okay, nice curve going through all these points. Lovely. You may or may not know how to do this already, but I'm going to explain now how to put a nonlinear curve or any function and produce a table of values. Okay, so table of values. Number 1, you need to have a scientific calculator. So if you've got one in front of you, that would be very useful right now. Number 2, you will push mode and then table. Okay. Number 3, type in the function. So at the moment your screen will look like f of x is equal to. Then you're going to make the function look like the one I've written, y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. So x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. Now you find that capital X by pushing alpha, and there should be a red X just above, I think it's the bracket symbol on your calculator. Okay. You have a start value. Our start value is minus 2, so you put minus 2 and then you push the equal sign. Our end value was 4, so you push 4 and put the equal sign. Our step size is the gaps between each x value, and in our case it was 1. When you put equals now, you will get a table of values. Okay, so that's the first part of the video done, really, how to plot an equation like that. The next is going to be solving non-linear simultaneous equations. I think what I'll do is pause the video and we'll continue this in the next video.